I love it.
Right. Hello, everybody, and welcome to AHA Moments. I am Christina Brady. I'm the president of Sales Assembly. I am here with Davina Vargas. She's going to talk all about her incredible self in a moment, but we have partnered with Sales Hacker to bring you some fun videos, and hopefully you'll learn something as well. So, Davina, thank you so much for being with us.
Absolutely.
You are currently the manager of direct operations at Yaymaker. Tell us a little bit about you and your journey.
Absolutely. So the manager of direct operations for all of North America at Yaymaker. And it's been a long time coming. So I see it. I've had district manager roles, regional manager roles, general manager roles, and an HR manager role for the West Territory for a previous company. And then on top of that, I'm also a certified officiant. I consult on the side with different companies for customer service, right? On top of being an awesome mom, what can I say? But to get here, my original journey started in the retail field. And through retail, worked my way up running stores, running regions. And then from there, I got into the HR side in retail. And then from there, left and came on to Yaymaker, which is a startup company. It's a little less than, 10 years old, based out of Boston, does all things creative. And from here, I think is really where I've gotten to shine and really kind of decide and come into my own and who I was going to be.
Oh my gosh, there's so much there that I want to ask about.
Right.
So much there, but let's get to the meat of the conversation,
Yeah.
and maybe I'll find a way to sneak it in.
Oh, yeah.
But these conversations are all about the aha moments that we all have that either change our professional lives or our personal lives or both. Davina, what was your aha moment?
Yes, and you know what? I said I had several, but this is the main one. It was in my last role. I was an HR manager. I was working in San Francisco. I had a 2-hour commute one way each way. Okay, to work, from work, left every day at 4:30, had 2 phones, carried 2 laptops. I mean, I did the whole thing, right? Working in that role, killing yourself for this job, right? And there were a lot of parts of it that I loved. But what I figured out is that the big aha moment was there's one way to get to where you want to go, right? But then you figure out there are actually many ways to get there. You do not have to follow whatever you think the prescribed path is for you because people have told you that that's where you'll do best and this is your niche. And if you follow this, you're going to get your VP spot or whatever. And you kill yourself to get there. And then you become almost afraid to do anything else. And for me, it took me many years to figure out I don't have to, let's say, necessarily stay with this company, be with this brand, or even be in this role to become whoever it is that Davina's going to be. And you know what? Matter of fact, at almost 40, I'm not afraid to say it, I'm not even where I am going to finish. I'm still getting there. And that's okay. And I can tell you that a lot in the executive world, a lot of what I saw among myself and my colleagues was there was a pronounced fear of not doing things exactly on time and when you should do them. And that, let's say, throwing you off of all the trajectory of where your life was going to go. It's okay to not follow that path. Take another one, see where it takes you to get back onto the course to where you want to be. So my main aha moment was there are many paths to take that can still get you to where you want to be and who you want to be. And don't be afraid to do those. Don't be afraid to go for it.
Oh my gosh. This is incredible advice, because if all of us watching and listening right now are truly introspective, are you where you dreamed that you would be as a child, right? Are you those big, larger than life jobs that you thought that you were going to have? Maybe, you astronauts out there,
right.
but for the rest of us, it's like maybe we did find a dream. And for you, you lived that. Like, one of the questions I wanted to ask, and of course you naturally went there, was you went from retail and retail leadership to tech. What a leap. Nobody would expect that you would go that direction. Did you have this aha moment because of that transition, or was it this kind of ingrained, this is my light bulb, that made you want to take that journey?
Yeah, you know what? For me, I think I saw an opportunity. Yaymaker, super creative company. I saw that they were on LinkedIn. They were hiring for a role. telling people about it, they were like, why are you going there? That's so different. Like, I thought you were going to go try to be VP of HR and, do all these things. And I was like, this sounds like somewhere I want to be. I looked up, I had already gone to some of the events, and you know what? It was a natural fit for me to be able to be myself. I'm energetic. I'm larger than life. I am somebody who doesn't like to be too pretentious. And let me tell you, I'm sure you've seen in the corporate world, there are a lot of things that sometimes you have to do. And for me, it was like, don't wear these long ponytails and have your nails a bright color, or like, you can't do these things sometimes that you want to do to really be yourself. You've got to kind of be a different kind of view of what corporate wants you to be. I'm somewhere where I'm getting the job done the right way, the great way, inspiring people to do what they love to do while keeping myself inspired. So, I think there'll be people along the way who say, like, what are you doing and why are you doing it? Because to them, it doesn't sound like the astronaut, or like when I was young, Davina, you're going to be an attorney. We know it. You're great at this. This is what you're going to do. You don't follow that path, and so people can't get it for you. As long as you get it for you, nothing else matters. That's it. You get it for you. That's what it's about.
Yes, what I hear you talking about is ultimate bravery and leading by example. It's the root of all inspiration.
Absolutely.
And so,
yeah, absolutely. Absolutely.
I love that your aha moment is going to inspire many. So thank you for sharing it with us at Sales Assembly and Sales Hacker. Yaymaker is an incredible company with phenomenal leadership, and we know that because they hired somebody like you.
I love it. It's the honor has been mine. That is for real. It has been my privilege. That's for absolute.
Good. Well, have a wonderful rest of the day. We'll see y'all next time.
I will. Thank you.
Bye.
Bye, Christina.